Hi everyone, we are going to learn how to make an Icord with an Icord tool. This tool can be purchased on Amazon. This tool can be purchased on Etsy. The ones on Etsy are handmade, and then this one here I got on Amazon. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to grab our tool. We're going to put our string in our hand. We are then going to put our string on this last latch hook, and then we're going to wrap it around into the center. So it's going to look like that. And we're going to bring it down. We're going to hold this with our thumb. We're going to wrap it around the hooks. And then you see this first latch? We're going to close that latch. Okay, we're going to then take this string, get that latch closed. We're going to take this string and we're going to wrap it around. We're then also going to take this one and wrap it around. And then you pull it down. We're then going to take your string and we're going to wrap it around. We are going to pull up and pull down. Wrap your string around. We're going to pull up and pull down. Make sure all your latch hooks are down. We're going to wrap our yarn around. We're going to pull up and we're going to pull down. We're going to do that a few times here. You're going to do that as long as you want it. You will get the grasp of how to do it. I will tell you, you do need some type of soft yarn for this, guys. So I did a few here. We're going to show you how to fasten off. So how I fasten off is I wrap it around this just this first one. Close that latch. I'm going to bring this up. We are only going to increase on this one. We're then going to pull the hoop off and we're going to put that hoop onto that middle hoop. We're then going to wrap it around the first two hooks and we're going to pull it through. Now we're going to pull off the middle and we're going to put it onto number one. And then we're going to wrap it around and we're going to pull it through. And that is it, guys. You guys now created an Icord. Now, all you have to do is, for any of you crocheters out there or knitters, we're just going to run it through the hoop and we're going to pull it, and now it's completely fastened. Thank you. Have a blessed day.